Baby, stop.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Good morning. So today we are going to Lake Lanier. I woke up extra early because I need to get some editing done because I'm super behind. And I'm just gonna make myself a cup of coffee and drink some water now and get ready. I have about an hour. We ready? We ready for the beach?
Ready. What's up, what's up? We're going to the beach.
So what time does Lake Lanier close?
It doesn't close.
Oh, okay. That's not like wasn't it 5, but we had a deadline to drop the boat out or something.
No, Tony has his boat, so there's a private dock for people with boats.
Oh, okay.
That's open 24/7. Anthony was there yesterday till 5 a.m.
What?
Yeah.
On the boat?
On the boat, yeah.
Do you what?
Just chilling.
In the darkness?
It's apparently it's beautiful at night on the boat.
Damn.
So that the moon.
You didn't see any mommy water?
No, calm down. Yeah, I don't believe in all that stuff.
I know that, I'm being sarcastic.
But before I used to fear of...
Oh, that mommy water is in Georgia.
I'm telling you.
It's only in Nigeria now.
Man, that mommy water.
For those of you that don't know what mommy water is, that's a mermaid, and they come from the bad, evil part of the universe. And from, according to Nigerian, like, Ojuju beliefs.
Not Aquaman, no.
No, not that kind. This one is, I don't know, they don't, not Little Mermaid either. They shall call it mommy water. They are very beautiful. Oh, they will sing for you, and then you will now get lured in, and they'll take you to their realm.
And when you come back, you'll be very rich.
Yes, when you come back, you'll be very, very... Oh, isn't that like that thing you watch? What's that show you're addicted to? I've watched a million times. Beowulf. Yeah. Probably like the part Angelina Jolie played. I'm thinking, hey, that's probably what it is. I don't know. We're running super late as usual. Have a few stops. We're gonna go get Noah a life jacket, and then on our way we'll pick up some food that we can just put in our bags as reserves. So there'll just be snacks there. Knowing us, we'll be hungry again.
Not even in time.
True, we've not. Noah hasn't either. Noah had a bun, and we just shared takeaway from the restaurant yesterday. But the weather is nice. I like it. It's not too sunny. It's perfect.
Beautiful day to be out.
Yeah, it is. To be on the lake. Yay! First stop, Towers. Chidi just went to buy some drinks quickly and ice. Yeah, there he is.
Okay, they're on the way back. Are you, where you there?
Yeah, I don't dare. I just have to wait for you.
Okay, you see me in like 5 minutes, bro.
Should've known better than to trust in love. It's like this whole world keeps on messing it up. Yeah. I thought that I could do better if I just believed. Yeah. I'm thinking back to when you.
Hi, boo boo. Quick. Well done, my baby. It's heavy. Sorry, baby. You're doing a great job.
It's heavy.
Okay, come on, let's go. Careful, boo boo. Hey!
You ain't never said nothing.
You said go get.
Like, I'm like,
How are you?
You already know. You already know, bro. Sorry, man. Sorry, man. But then hopefully the champagne can help with the pain, you know what I mean?
It's time for the pain.
You know what I mean? What's up? I did. You already know now. So you know everybody here. You know everybody.
Everybody's get a refill. Real quick. Everybody's get a refill.
Come on, Baba.
This is Judy.
Oh, this
If it was anything else, it would work.
Baby, I don't feel like the diamond. If you see this scratch, baby, make you do you. Oh, shut the media, yeah. I just want to hold the fuck. Make me tell you something. If you see fine girl, where you got to nobody. Just tell you, say the mash up.
'Cause tonight will make you right. Keep this feeling getting high. Keep this feeling getting high.
Yeah. Like Noah has just been in a mood. I don't know. I know he's not tired. I know. He has FOMO. Too much FOMO to be tired. Hi. But yeah. So we're at Lake Lanier. This is baby, what do you call this place? Margaritaville. So this is a famous Margaritaville. I haven't been, but I've heard about it, a lot about it. So I'm just gonna use the restroom and see what's around. It looks like an artificial beach, definitely. It looks cool though. Oh, they're watching a football match? Look, they're actually watching a football match over there.
Taylor, come here.
Hello.
Oh. The bathroom, it's super hot, like I can't breathe, but guys, you need to see this view. There's Trudy and Noah. Hey baby, I'm coming. So we're gonna head back to the boat and hang out with our friends, and I am going to get in this water. Like, it is ridiculously hot. Look at Noah already, and I haven't changed him into his swim trunks yet or his swim diapers, so that's kind of, yeah.
Tonight will make you right. Keep this feeling getting high. Keep this feeling getting high.
That was so good, so refreshing. So we're going to another spot with shallow water so everyone can swim because it's extremely hot. Hey, wait, get up, wait, ah. Where's your right hand? Where's your right hand? Oh. Right. Where's
Life for just one night, no looking back. 'Cause tonight will make you right. Keep this feeling getting high.
Beautiful sunset.
What a Draco!
Baby, stop.
Blocker. Yes, boss. May your cup never be empty. Amen. Amen. Yes, boss. Mayor of Atlanta. Bad guy. Guy man.
Hi my boys.
What's going on?
Hi. You guys look way too comfortable out here.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful though. The sun is about to set.
Should've known better than to trust in love. It's like this whole world keeps on messing it up. Yeah. I thought that I could do better if I just believed. Yeah. I'm thinking back to when you were in the sweater that you got from me. Oh, now it's so complicated. Why is this suffocating me? I felt elevated.
This where you park?
Hey, honey. Woo, what a day.